Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Odyssey interior light. Start by gathering a plastic pry tool, replacement bulb, and flashlight. Remove the lens cover gently with the pry tool to avoid scratches and broken tabs. Inspect the bulb type and socket for corrosion and wear. Replace the bulb with a matching type, test the light, and reassemble the lens cover carefully to ensure secure fit. Begin by locating the notch or seam on the light lens and use a flat plastic pry tool for safe removal. Work slowly around the perimeter, gently levering until the lens pops free of the mounting clips. Keep the lens on a soft cloth to prevent scratches and collect any small parts. Inspect the lens and housing for dirt or damage and clean them before installing a new bulb to ensure maximum brightness. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while you wait during repairs, and it fits easily in the glove box. Check the video description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Check the old bulb for size and part markings, or consult your owner manual for the correct replacement number. Remove the bulb by pulling it straight from its socket, avoiding twisting that can damage the connector. Install the new bulb firmly, reconnect any wiring, and test the interior light to confirm operation. If the light does not work, check the fuse and wiring connections before reassembling the lens to finish the repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.